I'm Lacey from Smith Hollow Farmstead, and this is week 24 of Farming from Scratch, the weekly vlog we created to document our first year building and operating our produce and pastured poultry farm. Here's a look at what happened on and off the farm this week. At the beginning of the week, we visited Auntie Jill on her family's wheat farm. The kids had plenty of fun playing with Tucker, in the grain, and also in the dirt. I especially love this shot of G, Jill, and Tucker in Jill's wheat truck. We had such a great morning. On our farm, Marcus and I harvested our peaches, sweet corn and potatoes, and tomatoes and peppers for CSA local restaurants and the Blue Mountain Station Market. Of course, we included our freshly harvested peaches and corn in this week's CSA basket. We also included a recipe for fresh peach smoothies. Here's a look at the bin we took to the Blue Mountain Station Market. We planted 2 Sun Gold cherry tomato plants this spring and love their fruit. We are already planning on more Sun Gold plants for next year so we can include cherry tomatoes in our CSA baskets. Mead Ranch wrapped up their wheat harvest this week, and everyone was on hand at the top of the lane to witness the combine's last pass. Here's a cute clip of the grandkids aged 1, 2, 3, and 4 years riding in the back of Boss Man's truck. Yeah. Boop. Sit down. And of course, the 5-year-old is off collecting stray stems for a wheat bouquet.
Yeah, picking up.
Good job, Owen.
Well, that's week 24 of Farming from Scratch. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe to our channel, and you can always follow along on our website and social media sites. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy farming.